If you're a plant lover, you have probably heard how easy it is to propagate snake plants.
But is it really that simple? And which method actually works better? I decided to run a little experiment.
I used Cocopeat and water. Same plants, same conditions, just to see which one comes out on top.
Let me tell you, the results were not what I expected. Snake plants are one of the most popular houseplants.
They are known for their air purifying abilities, tolerance to neglect, and beautiful upright leaves. But did you know they can also survive in extremely low light conditions? And they can survive direct sunlight and even without soil for a while?
They are often called unkillable, but I learned that's not always true.
So here is what I did. I took leaf cuttings from two types of snake plants, the classic green one and the more delicate variegated variety. Cut them in a V shape, the classic propagation cut, and made sure to remember which end was the bottom, so I could place them the right way in water or Cocopeat. With the help of V cuts, you can easily identify which one is the bottom part and the top part. I used clean disinfected pruning shears to avoid infection. Then I placed half of the cuttings in clean water in transparent glass. And the other half in moist Cocopeat. I kept them all near a bright window, no direct sun, just bright indirect light. I changed the water every 7 days, and for the Cocopeat, I kept them moist. Basically, I tried to give both sets an equal chance. But 2 weeks in, something weird happened. All the variegated cuttings, both in water and Cocopeat, started to rot. They completely died. I still don't know why. The green ones were doing fine, but the variegated ones just couldn't handle it. Maybe they are more sensitive to overwatering or moisture retention. If you have ever experienced this, drop a comment. I would love to know what could have gone wrong. Alright, 30 days later, I checked the results. Let's start with the water propagation. Surprisingly, as you can see, most water propagated cuttings had roots about an inch long, firm, white and healthy. It was very satisfying to see the roots. Then I moved to the Cocopeat cuttings, and this is where things got interesting. One of the cutting had 0 roots, absolutely nothing. But another one had thick, strong roots around 2 inches long, bigger and healthier than the water ones. Now this tells me something. Maybe Cocopeat gives stronger roots, but water shows more consistent results. This little experiment taught me a lot. Snake plant propagation isn't always about throwing a leaf in water and waiting. Every cutting, every variety, and even your medium plays a role. So now I want to know what's been your experience. Have you had more success with water, Cocopeat, something else entirely? Let's learn from each other and share your story in the comments. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant experiments and care tips.
I will keep doing these experiments to make gardening fun and practical. And if you're into that too, stick around. Until next time, happy growing.